YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video. So y'all already know, right before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my second channel. Link will be down in the description below. All you have to do is go over there and smash the subscribe button for your boy. And also, if you're wondering where I get this 2-6 King Wavy do-rag from, the link is also in the description. Once you go over to his website, anything that you order, I want you to use my discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your overall purchase. Alright, so y'all already know what this video is going to be about because the title gave it away, okay? So this video was brought to you guys by one of my followers on Instagram. His name is YVNG.Andres. I'm guessing it's Young Andres. He was talking about washing your hair every day, okay? And that gave me the idea to make this video that I'm doing right now. So shout outs to Young Andre on Instagram. I'm gonna have his name up here somewhere. Y'all go follow him. But anyways, y'all, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright, y'all, welcome back. Let's get it. So y'all already know what the washing style is. Washing style is good for, you know, keeping your hair healthy and stuff, you know, styling your hair, keeping your hair laid, bouncing back. You know, if your hair is all looking crazy, you want to sleep without a do-rag, you do a washing style to bounce back. Overall, the washing style helps keep your hair super crispy clean with an outcome of a super duper laid down hair. If you're watching this and find the washing style super helpful, drop a swag in the comment section. Yeah, all in all, the washing style is very helpful. It's good. Everyone loves the washing style, including me. But the washing style should not, I repeat, should not be done every day. You should only do a washing style twice a week, maximum twice a week. Here's why. Now, when you wash your hair with shampoo, the shampoo has chemicals in there that rips out all the natural oils from your scalp and just makes your hair super dry. It's already bad enough that every time you wash your hair with shampoo, it dries your hair out. Alright, so imagine washing it every single day. That's gonna dry your hair out every single day, which is gonna lead to potential hair loss. So it is not a good idea to wash your hair every day, with shampoo at least. Your hair has natural oils, and those natural oils has an enemy, and that enemy is just shampoo. The shampoo is really good for washing your hair because it takes out all the grease and build up product that you have in your hair, and it just toss them in the trash. That's why washing your hair with a shampoo is really good, but also bad because it also takes away natural oils from your hair. Now, to solve that dry scalp problem that you go through after washing your hair with shampoo, you need to do the hot towel method. The hot towel method opens up your pores. Hot water tends to open up your pores, okay? Hot water opens up your pores and cold water closes up your pores. So after you finish doing the washing style, you keep your do-rag on until your hair is dry. Once you take the do-rag off, you should do the hot towel method, which is gonna open up your pores, and you can add any natural products that you want to your hair, and it's gonna be absorbed into your scalp, into your pores. Healthy products only though, because you don't want to put any unnatural products inside of your pores, because I don't think that's a good idea. The hot towel method shouldn't only be done after a washing style. You should do the hot towel method before every time you moisturize your hair. Now, let's go back to the washing every day topic that we were just talking about. We all know that it strips the natural oils from your hair. It's bad, makes your hair dry. Now, here are the most common people that does the washing style every single day and that thinks that it's good, and it's really not. So those people are athletes. I get a lot of athletes in my DM saying, no, I'm an athlete, my hair gets sweaty every day, I wash my hair every day. No, that is not the answer, okay? Yes, you can wash your hair every day, but I'm gonna show you how you can wash your hair every day without, you know, stripping all the natural oils from your hair. Now, the solution to your problem is called co-washing. Co-washing is short for conditioner washing. If you're one of my wave brothers or sisters that loves to wash your hair every single day, this method is definitely for you, so pay close attention. Now, co-washing is when you just use straight conditioner to wash and style your hair. Now, this method should definitely be done with hot or lukewarm water, because you need your pores open for the conditioner to, you know, get in there and do its job. Now, once you finish with the co-wash, you can leave your pores open to apply any other product that you may want. And you do that by rinsing your hair, rinsing the conditioner out your hair with warm water. And if you feel like the conditioner is enough to moisturize your hair and you don't want to apply any more products, you can close your pores by rinsing your hair out with cold water. Now if you made a mistake and closed your pores unintentionally and want to add any more products to your hair, you can open them back up by doing the hot towel method. Now to end this video, guys, I want to tell you guys that the cold wash does not clean out your hair. Okay, if you want your hair to be clean, all the products to be out of your hair, you have to use shampoo. So you can wash your hair twice a week, like I said, with the shampoo. That's either Monday, Thursday, or Monday, Friday. Wash your hair regularly. But on the days that you're not washing your hair regularly, you can do the cold wash. So Monday you wash your hair regular, Tuesday cold wash, Wednesday cold wash, Thursday you can wash your hair regular again, or you can do cold wash and then Friday you wash your hair with the shampoo and clean out all the products. The cold wash is really like a moisturizing method. It keeps your hair moisturized but not necessarily clean, okay? And this is how you're gonna be able to wash your hair every single day and keep your hair looking healthy, okay? And this is how you can wash your hair every single day without sacrificing your natural oil. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy, and we out of here. Peace.